You may have seen this highlighted text in many videos, and now you also want to highlight text like this, so don't worry, I got you. In this video, I am about to show that how you can highlight text in Capcut. I will share 2 methods to highlight text in Capcut, so watch the video completely to highlight text in Capcut. To highlight text, first you have to import the PNG or image to Capcut that you want to highlight. Now scale the image and bring the text to center that you want to highlight. Now simply click on text and add text. Drag it according to timeline. Now remove the default text and write the minus symbol in its place. After adding the text, now scroll down and decrease the space in the text, and also choose the to yellow. Once you change its color, now click on Uniform Scale and turn it off, and adjust the width and height of the text according to text that you want to highlight. After scaling it, now scroll down and decrease the opacity so that the text is visible through it, and now click on the animations and apply this animation. Let's preview it. You can increase or decrease the animation time according to your text. Let's move to the second method, by which we can highlight text. Open the Chrome browser and search for yellow line PNG, and download PNG that you like the most. After downloading the PNG, simply import the PNG to Capcut and adjust its length. Now here, click on Blend and select Multiply. Select Mask option and select Horizontal Mask. Now rotate it as I do and drag it to the starting of the line PNG. Add this keyframe in masking option and give some space in the timeline. Then drag the mask to the end of the line PNG. Let's preview it. The text has been highlighted. Now it's on you which method you want to use. This was it in today's video. If enjoyed watching the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for next update.